Hi guys, just want to get in here real quick. My name is Antonio. I'm from Alaska. I work full-time for UPS. Prior to meeting Casey at Break by Break Wealth, my wife and I actually just been educating ourselves to listen to some podcasts, reading books, and somehow we still about fear to actually take the initiative to take actions. And we reached out to Casey for some advice, and she really provided a lot of values, and that led us, and she kind of paved the way to build that confidence in us and take actions. And now we're currently about to close on a duplex that we are gonna house hack, and it's a exciting feeling. And thanks for all the values you have given, Casey. And I recommend you guys, if you guys are looking to get started, just give her a follow at Break by Break Wealth, and she has a lot of free course on how to get started. Thank you so much.